Hey everyone, welcome back to the Page Variant. Today's video is going to be a game changer for many of you out there who find yourselves caught in the middle class trap. We'll be discussing some practical steps on how to crack the code and elevate your financial situation. So grab a notebook and let's dive in. I will divide this video is 7 points, and 5.1 is very important. Make sure you watch full video without skipping. Understanding the middle class trap. Before we get into the solutions, let's briefly talk about what the middle class trap is. It's that feeling of being stuck, working hard, but not seeing significant financial progress. It's time to break free from this cycle. Assessing your current financial situation and setting clear financial goals. The first step in cracking the middle class trap is to assess your current financial situation. Take a deep dive into your income, expenses, and savings. Understanding where your money is going is crucial for making informed decisions. Without clear goals, it's challenging to escape the middle class trap. Define both short-term and long-term financial objectives. Whether it's buying a home, saving for your children's education, or starting a business, having goals provides direction. Cutting unnecessary expenses and investing wisely. Create a realistic budget and stick to it. Identify areas where you can cut unnecessary expenses. Small changes in your spending habits can lead to significant savings over time. Building wealth involves smart investing. Whether it's in stocks, real estate, or retirement accounts, make your money work for you. Diversify your investments to reduce risk and increase the potential for returns. Developing multiple income and skill development. Don't rely solely on your day job. Explore opportunities for side hustles, freelancing, or passive income streams. Diversifying your income sources provides financial stability and accelerates your journey out of the middle class trap. Continuous learning and skill development. In today's rapidly changing world, staying relevant is key. Invest in your education and continuously develop your skills. This will not only make you more valuable in your current job, but may open doors to higher-paying opportunities. Networking and building relationships. Being financially mindful. Networking is not just for corporate climbers. Building strong relationships can lead to new opportunities, collaborations, and mentorship. Surround yourself with individuals who inspire and challenge you to reach new heights. Mindfulness is not just for meditation. It's also crucial for your finances. Be mindful of your spending, investment decisions, and overall financial strategy. Regularly assess and adjust your plan as needed. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to crack the middle-class trap. Remember, it's all about taking control of your finances, setting clear goals, and making informed decisions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more valuable content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.